Boston ripping rollers, going to check the birds out this morning. Come on, Stella. Let me go by. Kit birds look good. These ones look good. Check out my hens. They look pretty good. The cock birds, how they doing this morning? Yeah, they want to pair up, that's for sure. My breeders over here. Check those youngsters out. See how they're doing this morning. I think the hen's coming down on more eggs. She made a big nest. Here's the youngsters. They look nice and healthy. Soon these will be in the kit box. Kumaro pair. I got from Tony Souza. She's got one egg. Let's hope she takes care of it this year. Lavenders. Got a couple eggs. My laces, they're up there, scared. One egg here. Oh, two eggs. They got two eggs here. They should be hatching soon. That's the almond and a yellow. I hope they hatch. And my pair of yellows. Let me just look this way. Look in there. Yellow's got eggs, I guess. Everybody's doing well. And then I got a pair of lavenders up here. They got eggs. I mated the father and the daughter. They produced some good youngsters. Last year, the hen and the cock that I had together So I figured try the daughter and the father this year. They're part Rick Me and part Plona. I should get some real nice youngsters out of them. I gotta fix my sliding door a little better. It opens and shuts. It does its job. That's all that matters, I guess. I got a bird escaping up there through the wire. One there on the second shelf. Usually ends up walking around on top. I have to grab him every day. I gotta fix the top wire. This side too, it all needs to be fixed. I just wanted to get the birds in and I had a rush to get the birds. The guy wanted to get rid of the birds. Mr. Vanak Kong. So I didn't get to really finish the coop. Still got a lot of work to do. I gotta do these ceilings and fix them. The wire's all crooked up there. I want to get it nice and neat on top of these cages. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I gotta do pens. And I don't know if I'm gonna do the pens on that wall or bring the pens over here. I'd really like to have them on this side of the wall. I mean, but then they gotta come across. I gotta make some kind of walkway for them to come to this wall. I don't know how I'm gonna do that unless I just build a pen on that side. You know, build one pen going across the length of the coop. Let them have the pens on this side, and then I can have the pens for the kit boxes on this side. I don't know. Still got a lot of work to do in this coop. And then I want to get all the junk out of the yard, clean the yard up really nice. Start growing the grass again all around the yard. You know. Yeah. I got a Rick Me cockbird here that I was gonna not fly and made it to this Rick Me blue bar hen right there, the white flight. I don't know if you can see it underneath the yellow. I want to put my yellows back together this year because they threw a lot of good youngsters. So something works, don't fix it. I wish I built the V perches because some of the birds got shit on their tails because don't got the V perches. The cockbirds all got V perches. None of them got shit on their tails. You know, it protected them. So what I'm gonna do is make wooden ones this year for this side. Like I said, I still got a lot of work in progress here. Work in progress, but I think the coop all around came out pretty nice. Just I got some odds and ends I gotta do, and I wanted to breed more than 6 pairs just this year, and then to see what these birds do, what quality of rollers they're gonna produce. So. Yeah, it is what it is. These kit birds birds ain't really all my birds. They're from different people. I want to get it so it's all my birds in here, but I wanted something to fly this year in the World Cup, so maybe I'll luck out, who knows. I got some of my birds in here. I think I got 3 of them, 4 of them. The rest are other people's. Same thing in here. You know. See, I got a cockbird in here. I gotta get that cockbird out. Be mating with all the hens in here. That's a nice cockbird too. I'm gonna fly it before I keep it in. I really like him too. I like his stance, his nice body shape. The birds are all gonna chase him around for a minute because he's new on that side. I found an egg over here, so that cockbird must have made it to somebody. Oh, that's a cockbird too. Yeah, I gotta get him out too. I'm gonna be putting them all together anyhow because I need 20 birds for the fly. These birds ain't even broken in yet, nothing. I gotta figure out when I'm gonna put the pen up to break these in. The next couple of days I'll build a pen so I can start flying these birds. Alright, Boston Ripping Rollers signing out. Everybody have a great day.